Hi everyone and welcome to Mio's video channel. My name is Salli and I'm about to show you how to create the flower pot hanger. You have everything you need in this package, so let's go! What you need except the cord and the ring is scissors and measurement tape. Or something else to measure with, doesn't matter. And what you firstly do is, I put a nail in the wall where I can hang my wooden ring. But you can use whatever, you can hang it on your door handle at home. What I do now is that I cut 4 long ropes, 320 centimeters long each. I just cut the ropes, and then I want to pull these 4 ropes through this wooden ring so that I have equal amounts of rope on each side, like that. And now I need to measure again because I need another rope that's about 80 centimeters long. With this I want to create the first knot that's just under this ring. How you do that is lay the end of the rope like that and create a loop. Then you want to twist the other end around both these two. I usually do 6 times. But you can do as many as you like actually. Depends what look you want. But today we're gonna make them 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you're done, you want to take this end, pull it through this loop, like that. And now you pull the other end as well. Now this loop will go into these and you'll have a tight knot like that. Now you just cut this end and this end close to the knot, and then they won't show. Okay, what I do now is that I divide these 8 ropes into 4 pairs like that, and I try to choose the ones that are kind of next to each other in the pair, because that will make it look much neater when the hanger is done. Okay, and now we want to create the second knot. And that should be about 60 centimeters down from the first knot. And here you do just a simple knot. Like that. Then you do the same thing on your second pair. 60 centimeters down. You want to make sure that these knots are lined up when they're hanging. You can adjust afterwards as well. Last one. There you go. Now I have my 4 first knots lined up. If I feel like one of them is a bit higher up or lower down, it's super simple to just untie it a little bit and move it up like that. Okay, now we come to the net part. We want to create the part that actually holds the pot. And then we kind of have to make a little basket. And how we do that is to create a little net. What you do is take one rope from each pair. Same thing here, take one that's next to each other instead of mixing it, because that will create a messy look. And so I take a rope from this pair, and a rope from this pair, and I make a knot. And same thing here, you can adjust these knots afterwards depending on how big your pot is. First knot, then I take a rope from that pair and this pair. Like that. I take rope from that pair and this, and I make a knot. Like that. Now, do you see the net coming? Now there's only 2 ropes left, the ones on the edge. So you want to tie them together. Like that. And then make sure they line up. You can adjust a little bit. And now we are ready for another big knot down here. So cut another rope 80 centimeters long, and we will create the same as here. Awesome. And we are almost done, you guys. I cut another rope 80 centimeters long. And now we're gonna make the same knot as we did at the top. Fold it like that, make a loop, twist around all ropes 6 times. One, two, three, four, five, 6. And then take the edge. Pull it through the loop that you created in the beginning, and take the other end and pull until the loop goes into the knot. Magic! This is such a pretty knot. And now you want to cut. That. You can adjust a little bit, and it's actually finished now. Let's try it. Now this is a small pot, but you can actually put a much larger pot than this. Voila! Done and done! Good job, everyone. I hope you had a blast creating your flower pot hanger, and I hope to see you here at the Mio Videos channel again soon. Take care. Bye bye.